Magalis, are you ready? This is the championship game of our 40 under division, the game number 1 of the Best of Beauty Championship Series for the center round in Kansas for the Justin Maligaya Cup 2025. It is between the team Knight going against the hometown, the team of Magallanes. Tonight, we will now crown off the first winner of our game 1. And without further ado, let's kick off the 2 participating teams. The start with the team of Knight. And now, here is the lineup. The start with number 3, John Vincent Mosley. Number 16, RC Abad. Number 25, John Lloyd Hinalo. Number 2, Brent Buddies. Number 77, Angelo Sangamayan. Number 21, Mike Lacote. Number 14, RJ Inaco. Number 1, Evan Duan. Number 7, Tamar Ramosa. Number 6, Jamie Ann Masupon. Number 12, Destin Prida. And last but not least, number 5, Raymond Lopez. The head coach of 40 under of Knight is Coach Siri Vinilaga. Assistant coaches Dale Pabete and Rocky Abiola. And now, make some noise for your the San Jersey Pro, Manny Sampaga. Number 16, John Boy Catagui. Number 6, Ian Rex McBride. Number 10, Jennifer Satanian. Number 0, John Calvin Kennedy. Number 22, Frederick Destreza. Numero 14, Darvin Bensulto. Number 13, JP Battle. Number 3, Turvin Agay. Number 20, Roel Deraya. Player number 8, Alexander Linartu. Player 15, Ernesto Villanueva. Player 7, Robert Catipoy. Numero 9, Anthony Periodico. And player number 29, Kevin Anthony Greenberg. The head coach of the Magallanes is Coach CJ Benitez. This is the 2 participating teams for our 40 under division. And this is the start of quarter number 1. We are on our way. Here is Anthony. Ball stolen. Off to the front court and touchdown for the layup. Hustle is going up. And off to the front court. Moving back to the layup. Here's a ball and a kick out by the Conloy. Pinalo for the kick out as well. Conloy to the open lane. Ito po, natin-spot po ng mga players yan. We don't want our players to get injured in our game. No! They lead on by JM. RC for Dre. RC Yago. Here's Sadie. Bello runs up. Dominating the boards all throughout our eliminations. Here's Lopez on the right. RC for Dre. RC above. Three-point shot para kay RC. Ball strip. Arellano off to Lopez. Touchdown for Dre. Ball shot for JP. Here's Bello. Goes all the way. This ball picks it up. Conloy comes up with us. Swing na pinagkakaya sa tuni ng ating board member here is number 6, he passes a long ball. 3 points. JM Masuko withstood that over Raymond. Using the screen by Deraya, he passes again. Passes again. Attacks in, one-handed shot. One shot, hold up. Bensito, patakas sa ilalim. 3 seconds. As for the Smith for Bensito. Kevin on the front court. Here's Milligan, goes all the way. Harvey secures the rebound. Off to JP, inside. Milligan, touchdown. 25 minutes. Oh no. Here's 5, goes all the way. Wants to go for an isolation move. The screen, 5. Pump fakes, off pass for Drew. Sean Kelvin. Back to JT. And on the shot clock. Bello wants to attack relating space. 5. Gonna shot. Oh. JT Bello. Start periodico. Party by Musli. Musli. And Musli goes all the way off the bench. 5 points to that. Kevin outlet. Here's a turn. Goes all the way to the left. 7 points para kay periodico. Kevin, quick shot. 2 points. Quick inbound play that time. 6 points ngayon para kay Kevin Anthony. 26-35. Oh, look at that layup. Look at John Vincent. 7 points. Oh, here's RJ with the ball fake at the middle. Look at that fake from RJ Inaco. Off to the game down pass. 3 points. Here's Musli. Attacks. One-hander. All again. Musli is a man at the moment. Passes up. Double team, baseline pass, cross court to Kevin. Inside, the red. 8 points para Kevin. 3 seconds to pass off with the shot clock and the game clock. Inside attack, gets that roll. 15 seconds. 5. Gets out, baseline shot. No, don't be great pass inside. Easy. Off the kick out now, this time. Darius. Mustinera, money on that shot. John Vincent Musni. RC getting the rebound, pass at the corner. Back to back, the Mustinera. Oh, Musni. This is his game, 13 points off. Here's Natore, goes to attack. The kickoff pass, fading away. Bounces in. 15 points off the bench. Here's J.P. Bello on the attack mode. Play, fires, and basket on the run. Yun na lang po, maraming salamat. Here's Bello, and out the back, Bello goes all the way. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Forcing the 3 ball. Oh, look at that power rebound. So that, tapping the ball is good. Bello forcing that move. Oh, 14 points by JP. Stop and pop. Here's Solis. Kicks it out on the left. Baseline attack. No one guarding that attack of Aurelia. Darby. Hand off to Periodico. Side-stepping move. Great finish to the transition lane. Inside, JL with 2 points. Here's Safety. Boss. Showing that handles. All started. Here's Arellano. Goes all the way. 12 points for Arellano. Basket count, set time to end the buzzer. And then nice job. Oh, look at that finish. No one guarding that drive. Periodico sides it back there. Good defense. 4 to break. Ali pass inside. Biggest lead off the ball game. Here's Kevin, the spin, drive, bangs it in, and one. And Kevin goes forward to JP, Bello, and over. Cross court, lays it up, touchdown for 2. dalawa ang kalaban. Here's Mostly, one and their own money. Leading center from that night. Here's JP Bello. Attacks in, extra pass, Kevin, and goal in. Oh, a great pass. Here's JP forcing that goal. And Bello punished that one in. Takes away jumper straight para kay RC. Solid for the cross. Pick and roll. Take out pass. RC na naman. No good. Daloy. Daloy. Shot coming from the weak side. Look at number 3. Then at the shot block, the way off to Kevin, leading them for 3. Inside play. Using up the clock. Pinabala pa kay Daniel. Dinalo, look for teammate. Wait on the shot clock. 3 points. Next 3 minutes. 81-78. Here's Shanoy on top of the key. Oh, what a great pass. Maker open. Nice. Reverse. 83-78. Off to the well. Back to Kevin. Use the glass. Shot back one down. RC for 3. No. Powering down. That's the right one. So kita-kits po tayo muli dito bukas for our game number 2. But now, we are on our way to witness which municipality will be on the 6th point under a minute to go. Kevin attacks, go in for 3. Powers on the feet as this game is a 1-point possession ball game. Looks for a teammate, nice ball fake. Inside, there's a foul penalty situation, penalty. Seconds remaining, 5-point game. Needs these 2 free throws to seal the deal. Misses, still 2-ball possession ball game.
Sinip sila to, ano? Box! Jumper! Box! Isa! Yung!
Penalty, 16 seconds remaining.
Kaya nga, nawala yung play ng
Second in the first. Again, bukas po ang ating game number 2.
Yun, dalawa.
Seconds just out on the clock as the game one goes to Love Knight, 14 seconds. At the end of the ball game, the official score is 91-83.